Hello friends, welcome my YouTube channel, that is RL Chemistry. Today I am going to discussing about very important basic concept about organic chemistry. Okay, this organic chemistry, what is the basic concept? That is homolytic fission and heterolytic fission. That is bond cleavage. How the bond cleaves or bond breaking in the organic reaction. Now I said that how to break the bond in the organic reaction. What is homolytic fission and what is heterolytic fission. Before we are going to this concept, I tell you a story about father has two children. How six chocolates distributes his son and daughter. Okay, son and daughter. Okay, I tell you a story, a small story. Here. Listen first. Your father has daughter and he has son. Okay, he has six chocolates. First of all, in the first case, he distributed equally distributed chocolates. 1 2 3 1 2 3. These 3 plus 3 6 chocolates equally distributed. Divided 3 chocolates and another 3 chocolates his son, his daughter. This is the first case. And another case, in second case, father loves more daughter, so he give 4 chocolates his daughter and remaining chocolates give his son, that is 2 chocolates. Okay, and another case, in the third case, his father again equally divided these 3 chocolates. Okay, from son snatched the chocolate from daughter in the third case. Then he runs away. He snatched the chocolate from daughter. Son snatched the chocolate from daughter and run away from daughter. So this is the third case. These are 3 cases which helps in the bond cleavage, homolytic fission and heterolytic fission. Okay, this story very more help in the homolytic fission and heterolytic fission. Okay, before we are going to bond cleavage, another story, a relationship. What are the relationship from for example, mother and son. Okay, this is the relation. This is the old relation. And this is the old relation. And a new relation, what is the new relation? Wife and husband is the a new relation. This is the wife and this is the husband. Okay, wife and husband is a new relation. This is nothing but a bond. In our chemistry, relation is nothing but a bond. This is another story. They are mainly this story which helps in the homolytic fission and heterolytic fission. A father divided these 6 chocolates with his daughter and son. In these 3 cases, which helps in the homolytic fission and heterolytic fission. Another story, that is this is the old relation. This is the new relation. Okay, this is nothing but this is the new relation. Okay, this is nothing but a bond in our chemistry words. Okay, relationship is nothing but bond. Okay, this story only helps in the homolytic fission and heterolytic fission. Okay, now we are going to our topic, bond cleavage. Now, for example, in the first case, A bond B, A covalent with bond B. Okay, A covalent bond with B. Bond is nothing but a pair of electrons. Okay, in the story, I told a story. In the first case, what is 6 chocolate divided with 3 3. So here comparing this pair of electrons divided with equally or similarly equally takes place. Okay, this is cleavage. What is cleavage or fission? Cleavage or fission is nothing but breaking a bond. Breaking is nothing but a fission or cleavage. Homolytic fission is nothing but here it happens a free radical and B free radical is formed in the homolytic fission. Homolytic fission means a fission or cleavage means a breaking a bond which similarly takes place. That is homolytic fission. This is the homolytic fission. For example, a chlorine. Sunlight exhibits on chlorine. It forms chlorine radical and another chlorine radical. This is the homolytic fission. Okay, are you understand this homolytic fission? And now we are going to heterolytic fission. That is, for example, in the heterolytic fission, in the case 1, for example, A covalent bonded with B. This bond is nothing but a pair of electrons. Here, this pair of electrons which goes to come together either B or either A. In the first case, A which obtain the electrons A, it forms ions, A minus charge and B positive charge. Okay, in the story it has 4 chocolates and it has 2 chocolates. That is to in that story. In the second case, what is the second case? This A, because here in the heterolytic fission, cleavage the bond or bond breaking different electronegativity is happened in this atoms. In homolytic fission, equally sharing, because of what happens in the homolytic fission, equally electronegativity of atoms. Here in the heterolytic fission, A bond B, because these electrons either moves A atom and either B atom, because of A having a more electronegativity atom than B. So this type of reaction takes place. And another cleavage, another case, that is A bond B. Okay, here B has more electronegativity of than A, so it takes place this type of reaction, this type of cleavage. Okay, this is the heterolytic cleavage. Or you understand this heterolytic cleavage because of more electronegativity based on the electronegativity of atoms. This cleavage will happen. Finally, this basic concept mainly depends upon the electronegativity of atoms. Okay, I hope you can understand this concept, that is homolytic and heterolytic cleavage. Thank you.